How to say sweet or tasty? How to say sweet or tasty in Nuer language? Tum tum, me tum tum. How to say fresh? Fresh, me ken jang pin. Fresh. How to say fresh? We can jang pin. How to say sour? Sour. Bell. How to say bitter? Bitter. Cake. Bitter. Cake. How to say hot? Hot is less. How to say spicy? Spicy. Miss Michahol. Spicy. Miss Michahol. How to say curry? Malak. How to say salty? How to say salty? Me white watch. How to say sugary? Mr. Tam. How to say sugary? Mr. Tam. How to say overcooked? Michiwa ki micha tal long overcook. Michiwa ki micha tal. Tasteless. How to say tasteless? Micha bielejek. How to say tasteless? Micha bielejek. How to say boil? Wang, or we can simply say it tul. Micha tol kapiu. Call it boil. Micha tol ki micha lat much boils. How to say fry? They will teach tim. Fry. They will teach tim. How to say bake? Bake is they call out tat da boni ke tat jurai ni. How to say cook is third cook. Bake tat da boni or tat jurai ni. How to say injera mean yot. How to say injera? Yot. How to say boiled food is cup. Boiled food, cup. How to say pea flour, curry or gravy? Malak shuraka. Pea flour or curry or gravy. How to say sauce made? Malakades. Sauce made. We can come here. Sauce made of lentil added. Malak added. Here we go again. How to say salt without red pepper? Malak mitel miss. Sauce without red pepper. Malak mitel mit. How to say vegetable, curry or gravy? Malak gomen enroll. Vegetable, curry or gravy. How to say chicken curry or chicken gravy? Malak tonga. How to say mutton, curry or gravy? Malak, here we call it malak riang. Mutton lunering, mutton curry malak riang. Chicken curry malak tonga, ki malak man pelag. Mutton curry with spice. Malariang and yan miteke mit. How to say mutton curry with red chili powder. Malariang in there. How to say fried or roasted meat. Kelriang or ring michakel. Ring michakel. Fried or roasted meat. Michakel ki michabul. De konang no. How to say dry roasted goat meat. Dry roasted goat meat. Ring dal michakel. Ring dal michakel. How to say finally chopped meat with butter. Ring michatal keliet. Finally ring michatal keliet. Raw meat ronwang raw sorry we can say it chanai cholne na miet riang mekan tal raw meat miet riang mekan tal. We have boiled meat ring shweni boiled meat. Boiled meat with soup and spice. Ring shweni michamoch meat. Please try to support the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.